Hey, what's up guys? Mike from Sound of Tri-State in Folsom, Pennsylvania. So we just wrapped up the 1975 Toyota Land Cruiser. So in our first video, the vehicle had large white tower speakers on each corner of the roll bar. And the issue with that was the tower speaker stuck out probably to about here. So the issue is his children were hitting their head on it whenever he was driving. Plus the white didn't look too great with all the black on the top of the vehicle. So we were able to add this JBL tower speaker. It's kind of like a center channel home speaker. We were able to custom fabricate the bracket that came with it to get it to work with this roll bar. So it's a real clean stealth look. Thing sounds awesome. And now he's got a lot more room for rear seat passengers. So if anybody needs anything custom done in their vehicle, whether it be Jeep, pickup truck, a Wave Runner, a side-by-side in the back, of course, all kinds of Harleys, all different types of motorcycles, Can-Ams. So anything you guys could possibly want, please reach out to us, 610-328-0301. Thank you guys.